Alright guys, I'm out here at the Illinois River in Oklahoma, trying to land some smallmouth bass today. It's my first time being out here. I'm really not too sure what to expect. Upstream looks pretty good down there. I see this little area here. It looks like there could be some fish in there. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out real quick. Today I'm using a kind of like a jig head with a tube on it, and I have about a 3-foot leader of fluorocarbon tied on. So should see how it goes. No way.